Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2022 Mitsubishi Pajero stock in the 6690. This ran from the 10th 2015 to the current shape. It has a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front 18-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate 1 dent, right hand taillight, right rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door car, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,